Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I was taking a nice walk in the morning and came home to find a nice surprise. My breaker bar had broken from DeWalt, and when I came home, it had been a few weeks, but the breaker bar had arrived. And so this was straight from DeWalt. They were very easy to work with. I just called in, told them the model number, what was broken, and they walked through getting a replacement for me and said that they would ship it to my door. So they did not ask for the other one back. You'll see another video where I paid, $17 or so for a new replacement head because I'm not going to let the other one just be thrown away. But they did live up to their full-time warranty. It was the exact same model number that showed up and exact same breaker bar. So obviously, they have your address and information. And so if they see that you're requesting a lot of tools, they might decide and investigate or ask you for proof of ownership or purchase. But in this case, for a $20 breaker bar, they just sent a new one. No questions asked. We're very friendly, very helpful again. So this is the 24-inch breaker bar, and I've really enjoyed it. And just wanted to report that DeWalt lives up to their lifetime warranty. They were very good about the whole thing. So just giving you a quick video update on that. So please check the video description. I'll show you where I fixed the other breaker bar. And as always, thanks for watching.